Hello everyone, welcome to Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I will show you how to move a table in Google Docs. So let's begin the video. First, open your document in Google Docs. Now click inside the table you want to move, and to select the table, click and drag across all of its cells. Once the table is selected, press Ctrl X on your keyboard. Now place your cursor where you want to move the table. Then press Ctrl V on your keyboard. Your table will appear in the new location. If you want to move the table to another part of the same document, you can also use the cut and paste method. So here is another shortcut way to move your table. Place your cursor in the corner of the table, and here you will see an option, Move Table. Click on it and drag it to your desired location. So there you go. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.